Hi, welcome to today's video. Trade talk between the US and China got a new turn after President Trump last night announced possible tariffs increase. The US announced possible increase of the trade tariffs to a 25% rate on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods from Friday. Currently, the trade tariff is at 10%. Additionally, President Trump is announcing that about $325 billion worth of Chinese goods that currently aren't affected by tariffs risk being imposed a tariff rate of 25%. The Chinese stock index falls by 6% after the news. Friday's jobs numbers from the US show a solid labor market. Non-farm payrolls for April increased by 263,000. The market was expecting an increase of 190,000. The unemployment rate for April declined by 0.2% to 3.6%. Even with a strong non-farm payrolls increase and lower unemployment rate, the average hourly earnings hadn't increased by much. Average hourly earnings increased by 0.2% from March to April, lower than market expected, giving a year-on-year increase of 3.2%. The hourly earnings growth had been at this level since the last half of 2018, after a strong increase at the first 3 quarters of 2018. This supported the Fed's signal of a muted inflation growth. Also, this should be seen together with an increase in productivity. A rate hike is thus less likely for now. And that's it for today's video. Check the video description for more details. Thank you for watching.